How is
Hi,
it
guys.
going? Guys, Deck and Nat Adventures here, and we are back again for a second visit to the Legoland Hotel in Windsor. And yes, we are staying in what room, Nat?
The adventure room.
That's
this
it,
time.
the adventure
we were
room.
in the pirate room.
Yes.
2 years ago.
2 years
we
ago,
stayed here.
it was on the pirate room on the third floor, and now we're on the fourth floor in the adventure room. So yeah, we're going to show you a hotel tour and a room tour, so come and join us. So we're just out the front here, and you saw the little panoramic of the entrance, and they actually have like the massive Lego dragon, which is normally turned on, breathing smoke out of its nose, and at night he snores and stuff. But they're actually having some renovation done as we speak. Last time they were having renovations done at the entrance, and now this time they were, which is different. But yeah, see, minifigures at work now. No entry. Only minifigures in there.
2 years on, there's still work being done.
Yeah, I mean, look, they gotta get it done. Gotta do some TLC, it has to be done. But yeah, right, we're gonna go inside now and show you about. So we are in the entrance, the reception area, I guess, of the Legoland Hotel. They have a pure Lego shop here, like an actual Lego shop here. It's closed at the moment because it's quite late at night, but they definitely have probably a lot of Lego sets in there which you can buy, take to your room, and
One for friends.
where?
Like at the bottom.
Oh
It's
yeah.
new, apparently.
Yeah, I see it. But yeah, we have a lot of Lego sets in here and some plushies from the ride as well, which is great. They have like a coin maker, and that's just buying me one because last time she bought me the pirate one when we stayed in the pirate room,
Wait,
and
we
now
need to turn it now.
now she's buying me the adventure one because we're staying in the adventure
Is it
room.
working? Did it work?
No, you need to keep going.
Oh my god.
Keep going. It's going to be difficult. Till the penny drops now. It says till the penny drops.
Oh yeah. Did it drop?
I don't know. Keep going. Keep going.
I need...
She did
Let's
it.
get it scanned then.
Yeah,
Look
it's
at
the
that.
adventure one. Happy days. She struggled with that then, yeah. Lovely.
Oh, it wasn't going to drop then. I was like, just pay for that.
So they have an awesome minifigure wall here as well. Absolutely massive minifigure wall. They've got so many minifigures, don't they not?
Oh, he doesn't move anymore.
Yeah, he used to move,
like,
didn't he?
zoom in. Maybe he's broken or something.
Yeah. But there's so many
So I
minifigures.
dressed up as for Halloween.
A tennis player.
Yeah, like next to that king guy there. Can you see him?
Yeah,
He's
you got
there.
loads of minifigures. How many minifigures do you reckon are in it? Probably about a couple thousand. No, actually, no, they're not. Probably like 1,000.
Yeah.
There's so many. There's some cool ones as well.
I think there's
Wow.
repeats though.
Yeah, there is repeats. You got like a Lego pillar here. A Lego pit for the kids. And yeah, it's a great little reception area. Cool Lego carpet though, isn't it? I like the carpet. The carpet's amazing. But we're going to show you where you can go eat breakfast and dinner and stuff. And like an entertainment area, so let's go. I like the frames that they have in here. They're really cool. Lego frames. And yeah, this is the way to the bedrooms, but we're going to show you as well. Look at this carpet as well. These are cool carpets. They have cool carpets everywhere. Lego carpets to the stairs. Amazing. I'll show you the lift later on as well. I really like the lift. The lift is very cool and enjoyable, but yeah. Your first floor is the Lego Friends like area, rooms, and then the second floor is the Kingdom rooms and also the park entrance, restaurants, toilets, and boardwalk with the family restaurant and stuff. We're on the fourth floor in the adventure room. So yeah, let's go to the boardwalk to Legoland.
Kingdom rooms.
I don't know. Oh, blimey.
Oh, through there.
Oh, you get to the Kingdom room through there. Yeah, it's loud in here. Kids are having fun. Kids are having fun. It's like a play area.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, play area for the kids. You have some vending machines, refresh and refill drinks.
Last time.
What?
The cups.
Yeah, we did. We got it free. And that's where you go and eat, in the Family Bricks restaurant. This is where you come for breakfast, and then you can reserve for like dinner and tea as well, as people are doing in there. They've got some cool minifigures out. That world globe is new. That world globe is very new, and that looks cool. It's made out of Lego. Oh, party's starting.
It's actually built out of Lego. That's crazy.
That is cool. It's built out of Lego.
Wow.
Very cool. Look, looks like entertainment is starting. Entertainment has started. Oh, look at the cool minifigures at the top. Yeah, these are good for the kids, isn't it? 8 o'clock is entertainment time. You're not dancing. Right, so we are outside, and this is actually where the Legoland Park is. This is where it starts. We have Lego Mythica over there, and this is where you come as a hotel guest. You can have your own entrance into the Legoland Park, which is exactly at the right at the back of the park, which is actually really handy because you can go to Legoland Mythica over there. It's not handy if you want to go on the new roller coaster because that's there at the start, but it's very, very cool. I like it out here though. Yeah. Nice lights and stuff, isn't there? And yeah, we've got a play area for the kids, and yeah, it looks great outside. I love how they have like the minifigures holding up the like pillars of the hotel, like the brick is attached to the top of his head, which is so cool.
Must be heavy for his head.
Probably is heavy, but they got quite a few of them out doing a shift. But yeah, there's it. Look inside of the brick restaurant. We'll show you that tomorrow morning whilst we're having breakfast. Sunday. Yeah, it's all made out of Lego in there. That's crazy. I don't know how they did that. This is amazing. This is the best bit about the Legoland Hotel. It's just Lego everywhere. Oh my goodness. You also have the Skyline Bar, which is like a bar. It's just a bar. It says it does what it says on the tin. It's a bar where you can go get drinks and stuff. But they got chocolate.
At Legoland.
Everybody said chocolate. Right, so we are in the lift now. It's a very cool lift, and it actually talks to you.
I never get bored of working this lift. It has plenty of ups and downs.
You got the jokes going. Hey, look, there's a mummy. Ooh, scary. Yeah, this is a great lift. I enjoy this lift. Does it say something when we get to the 4th floor?
4th floor. Okay, adventurers, this is you.
Hey! She found us. Yeah, because I had to go down 2 lifts. But yeah.
I saw that. I went down to 1 and an M.
Yes.
I was like,
it was going everywhere. Yeah, look at these themed adventure rooms. Like, the whole corridor's themed. You even got a Lego guy. It looks like Indiana Jones. It's not. I wouldn't say it is. You also have the Ninjago rooms up here, which are not really themed to, like, the adventure rooms. The only thing that's themed about Ninjago, I'm guessing the rooms are. And also, the doors there. The doors. Right, here we are. We're in room 438, so if you want to book our room, that's what we stayed at.
So as you walk in, you obviously have your light switches and stuff, and then this is the kids' room or area, shall I say, and you have obviously a bunk bed, and there's also another like mattress that you can like pull out from under there. So if you have 3 children, then that's very handy. Everyone will have their own bed, and then there's just like a little model of like a mouse. I think it's a mouse. Isn't it?
It's like an adventure mouse.
Yeah,
it's like an Indiana Jones mouse, isn't it?
And then these like blocks that you can obviously like move to get like the same picture sort of thing, and then the TV, which is really cool. And this is just themed so nicely. Like the wallpaper and everything. This. It's good. You have a monkey here that's guarding like a chest. Which I think...
It's locked, isn't it?
There's going to be something in there. Declan.
Lego.
And there's some Lego, obviously, that the kids can play with.
We need the code.
We do need the code.
Right.
We need to do that soon.
This is how we do that. Look, you get a sheet of paper, and it's got questions on it, and it'll come up with a code. And then we're going to enter the code and win some Lego. That's the best thing about these rooms.
Exciting.
Yeah.
And then obviously you have pretty much your standard like kettle to get you coffee, tea, whatever, really. Ironing board and stuff. And then over here, you've got your bathroom, which again is themed. You have like a Lego hat over there, nice mirror, a scorpion, and some nice like wallpaper again of like the pyramids and stuff. And I think that's a monkey with a jewel, which is really cool. The actual bath and like shower is not really that themed, but the rest of it's cool. I mean, this is nice, isn't it? Nice mirror. And this is like the main part of the bedroom. You've got a cute little parrot up there, nice chair and matching lamp. This. Your deck's displayed.
The lamp gets in your way though.
Yeah, well, you're just too tall, or you can move the chair.
Yeah.
And you've got this like cool mat up top over your bed. Obviously, the bed itself, which has got this cool like themed adventure sort of bedding, I guess. Some nice like, I think, is it Egyptian? Yeah, like sort of Egyptian styled hieroglyphics, like paintings and stuff.
Yeah.
Got a nice flower up there. Not flower, sorry, butterfly. Like a
flower.
butterfly. And a dragonfly. You've got your TV. Got a desk with a mirror as well. And there's a fridge, little mini fridge in there. And that's pretty much the room.
Right, so we're going to do the actual adventure code thing, and then we're going to show you what we get inside the chest. So we'll be back once we've figured this out. This might take us a while. So we've done it. What's the code? 2335.
Yeah.
Let's see if she can get in.
Oh, we got it right.
Oh, what is it?
Wow.
What's a
Look at
Dreams? The Dreams poly bag. So you get a Dreams Z-Blob poly bag, which is very cool, and also a Legoland theme park lanyard, Legoland Hotel lanyard. Wow, where you can put like your different cards in. Is there anything else? No.
Just that.
Hey, still Lego prizes. Awesome.
You're good.
So it's the morning now, and we are in the Bricks Family Restaurant where you can get your breakfast. I've just ate some of mine, but yeah, it's a buffet style breakfast here. It's changed since the last time we came.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it's very nice. You get the breakfast from over here in this corner where it's buffet style. They have pretty much all breakfast foods that you can think of.
Mainly like English breakfast, and then like some cereal, pancakes, toast. That's mainly it. It's nothing like too fancy, essentially.
Yeah, no, but you don't need that, but it's great. I love all the minifigures around, you know, the Lego minifigures. It really makes it in here. Look at this one over here. That's all made out of Lego. What the heck is that? I don't know. But yeah, we're having a great time. And then, yeah, we're almost at the end of our trip here to Legoland Hotel. So we're just going to show you the little shop that they have, and then, yeah, let's wrap up the vlog. Here's a look then at the hotel shop. Yeah, they have some good stuff in here. Yeah. Yeah, the Dungeons & Dragons minifigures. You got everything. You got most stuff. Which is very, very cool, actually. Obviously, you don't have, like, what a full Lego store would have. But they have all the F1 sets as well, which is quite good to know. Got some swimming stuff, some clothes, some plushies, some hats. Yeah, you got some good stuff. Food, snacks, and drinks. Very good. So there you have it. That was the Legoland Resort Hotel. I enjoyed my stay. Did you enjoy
it was
your
really
stay?
good. I really liked the adventure room. Like I said, we obviously stayed in the pirate room last time, so it was cool staying in a different themed room, and we did really like it. It was very well themed.
Good. Different theme rooms. Breakfast was good. You have to book for breakfast, though.
Yes,
we got lucky.
We got lucky because there wasn't many people, but the lady that was at the desk did inform us that you do actually have to book now. And like I said, it was different this time. It was a buffet. Last time it was like on a menu, so clearly they must have just changed the way they do their breakfast. So now you do have to actually book in a time slot when you go and have your breakfast or dinners or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we learned that from that mistakes there, but it's okay because we got in for food and stuff then. And yeah, we're going to go into the Legoland actual theme park, so stay tuned for that vlog. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.